Hello friends, I am Mohan Amaravati. I am pursuing education in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today I am going to explain about the subject name OOPS with Java, Object Oriented Programming with Java. In that, I am going to explain a important topic named packages and member access. So I will explain one by one detail about importance, advantages and disadvantages about some codes and introduction to packages and member access. Introduction to packages and member access. Packages in programming are way to organize related classes and interfaces. They provide a way to group related functionality together and manage access to it. And they provide a way to group related functionality together and manage access to it. Member access refers to a visibility and accessibility of variables, methods, and classes of within a package. Benefits of using packages. Packages helps in organizing large code base by grouping related classes and the interfaces together. They provide a way to manage access to the code, allowing for better encapsulation and information hiding. Packages also help in avoiding naming conflicts by providing a unique namespace for classes and interfaces. A package declaration is the first line of code in that Java file and specifies which packages file the file belongs to, and the package name should follow a naming conversation and usually in a reverse domain name notations to ensure unique use. And the package declaration is followed by important statements to specify which other packages or classes are being used, like default packages and hello Java. Default access modifier. By default, classes, interfaces, and members within a package have package private access, and package private access means the class or member is only accessible within the same package. It provides a level of encapsulation and information hiding within the packages like private, default, protected, public, like more restrictive to less restrictive. This is of the default access modifier in Java. Public access modifier. Previous one is default access modifier, and now I'm going to explain public access modifier. Like the public access modifier allows classes, interfaces, and the member to accessible for a many package like public classes and interfaces can be used by other packages and can be accessed using import statements. Public members within a packages can be accessed by other classes within the same package like public, protected, default, private within a class, other classes within a package in subclasses within the package and other package, any class or in other packages like some package of other packages. Private access modifier like public versus private versus protected 2000. So with practical example we can say about the private access modifier restrict access to the class or member to within its own class. Private members are not accessible for many and other classes. Even within the same package, it provides the highest level of encapsulation and information hiding. Protected access modifier protect allows a to access the class or member form within the same package or any subclass, even in different packages. Protected members are not accessible to unrelated classes in different packages. It is commonly used to provide controlled access to subclass and maintain encapsulation, like private, default, or protected, like same as it is previous one. Access modifier summary. Default a modifier packages private access within the same package. Public access modifier accessible from any package and accessible only within the same packages of private. For public, it is any package. For private, within the same class. Best practices for packages and member access. Use packages to logical group related classes and interfaces. Choose meaningful and descriptive names for packages and that reflects their purpose. Utilize access modifiers to control the visibility and accessibility of classes and members. of a public protected default private of same class of child classes or non-child classes like yes or no type. Conclusion about the packages and the members are essential concepts in programming for code organization and essential control. Proper use of packages and access modifiers helps in creating clean, maintainable, and modular code base. Understanding and applying those concepts will improve the readability and scalability of your programs. A packages in Java is a namespace that organizes a set of related classes and interfaces. It provides structure for a Java classes, preventing naming conflicts being key to model handling. Packages helps in creating user-defined packages and make classes and interfaces more readable and manageable, like directory, HTML file, CML file, style sheet, JavaScript file. So we can see the example. And what are packages? Namespace organization, code reusability, and access control. Packages in Java provide a way to organizing related classes and interfaces so that they can be easily to locate and use. And by using packages, developers can reuse the classes and interfaces in different applications without naming conflicts. Packages also control access and they can restrict access to classes and interfaces. Benefits of using packages. Organization, security, reusability. Packages help in organizing classes and interfaces into namespace, making it easier to manage, maintain, and code. To manage and maintain and code for security packages, control access and visibility, ensuring that certain classes and interfaces are only accessible to authorized code. For reusability, developers can reuse classes and interfaces from one package in another, promoting code reuse and modularity. Creating and organizing packages, like developers can create packages by using the package keyword followed by the package name at the top of the Java source file. And organizing packages also organized into a packages by including the statement package name at the beginning of each source file that contains class declaration. Packages can be organized into a hierarchical structure, allowing for a clear and systematic arrangement of a class and interfaces. Access modifiers in Java: default access modifiers, public access modifiers, private access modifiers, and protected access modifiers. The default accessor modifier allows access only within the same package, and the private access modifier restricts access to the class in which it is declared. The public access modifier allows unrestricted access from any other code in a package, and the protected access modifier allows within the package and subclass outside the package. And the about the private also same, here also same, it is accessible only within the same class. And for the public, any packages for default access modifier package private access within the same package. Use packages to logically group related classes and interfaces. Choose meaningful and descriptive names for packages that reflect their purpose. Utilize access modifiers to control the visibility and accessibility of a class and members. Like packages and members access are essential concept in the programming for a code organization and access control. Proper use of packages and access modifiers helps in creating clean, maintainable, and modular code bases. And understanding the applying this concept will improve the readability and scalability of your programs of an organization. Security reusability, like packages helps in organizing classes and interfaces into namespaces, making it easier to manage and maintain code and only accessible to authorized code of the developers. Can be reused classes and interfaces from one package in another, promoting code and reuse the modularity. Creating packages, developers can create a packages using of package keyword followed by the package name at the top of the Java source file. And organizing using files of the packages can be organized into a hierarchical structure, allowing very clear and synthetic arrangement. Classes interfaces like default access modifier, public access modifier, protected access modifier, and private access modifier. The default access modifier allows access only within the same package. The private access public access to the class in within the it will be declared. And the public access modifier allows unrestricted access from any other code in any packages. The protect access modifier allows access within the package and subclass outside the package. So package private members, like Members with no access modifier specified are accessible within the same package. Public members of a public members are accessible from other classes and the packages without restriction. Protected members of a allows access within the same package and its subclasses that are outside the package. So this is about the packages and the members member access.